What's going on, family? What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I want to give you a small update on my trailer wheel lock. So, wanted to show you kind of what I did here. It's nothing not real complicated, but I actually got a spindle here, and it locks here. And then see, once you get ready to roll this here, it breaks down, and it keeps the wheel from turning because it'll get the pressure on it, or get tight, and it'll here. So you roll off with it. You see them? So the goal is you ain't got nobody stealing nothing. You see, everything is clear from what need to be cleared, and you can instantly take it off. This one right here actually got a spindle in it, so I'm gonna see, can I do this real quick? Give me a second, cause I got to use my other hand. I'm out here by myself, so as you see, and take your spindle out. Bam. Now your deal is out. And here on this one, actually, I got a spindle that makes it a little thicker. So the spindle go here. So just to show you again, get it down here, you know, where you like it, and you put it in your hole. So very simple setup. Just wanted to show you again. Very simple setup. I'm proud of it. Like I say, this is a new product. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna call it, but right now I'm just calling it a trailer wheel lock. So this is just a new product, man, to help the trailer situations, to help people to keep their trailers secure. You know, those who buy trailers, I mean, it's still a product that you bought and you want to keep it, you know. So this is just helps prevent theft. Like, even though you have one of these and you want to have a front lock too, you know, I would say it's good to have one of them. But if you made an investment on one, spending an extra couple dollars to keep it is not going to hurt you. And then, like I say, if a person going to really steal it, they'll take all your tires off. But normally a thief, they just try to hit and go. So you having something small, a small device to keep them from actually stealing your thing and going off with it, I think this is going to be a plus for you. So my goal with this was to come up with another product. You know, I like to say product over talent, product over talent. So it's all about trying to build your independence, but also helping someone. And I want to help a need. And I know there's a need with people actually having trailers, and they do have a couple other ones online that you can buy, a little bit more expensive, a little bit more fancy. I wanted to create my own type of product that I can actually sell to my people and to help them with their situations with their trailers. So for those who want to invest in my trailer lock, you can just hit me up. Haven't came up with a price yet, so I'm not even going to say a price, but be staying in contact with me through my social sites and through my website, www.HogOnWelding.com. That's www.HogOnWelding.com. And here soon, I'm going to have some prices up. I'm also having them available on there, so that way you can purchase one from me. And then also it'll be available inside my storefront once I get it kicked off. So once it get up and going, you'll be able to come here. Once I have it set up at my location, this is not going to be the permanent location. This is just where I'm actually building it at. So once I get this set up, I'll be able to, you know, have my products and stuff in there. So that's the whole deal. Product over talent, product over talent. I'm actually building my storefront with my hands. Everything is designed by me. Everything was handmade. And then I'm building my products by me, handmade. And then I want to sell everything by me. So I told a guy the other day, he asked me, well, how should I network myself? I said, you should network yourself as a business, 1, as a product, 2, as an individual, 3, because you're mind, body, and soul. So I feel like that's how we should network ourselves. So think of that, keep that in your mind. Product over talent, product over talent. And it just means that once you get the talent and you know you got it in a chokehold, then it's time to start utilizing it to gain your financial freedom, to gain your independence. So that's what I'm doing with the trailer lock. Like I say, I don't really know what I'm gonna call it just right now, but right now I'm calling it a trailer wheel lock. And I'm excited for my little prototype. So I'm excited about it. It worked out good. And just wanted to give you an update. Hold on.